this is Jamie from Skyrock Projects, and we're going to be making a goat app today. So there's going to be a goat on your app, and when you press it, it's going to make a sound, just like this one. Okay, cool. To get started, we're going to go on to create new app. This project name, we'll call it goat app create. And right now what I want you to do is actually go onto this link, skyrock.pro/Thunkable, and download the goat image and the goat sound here. So I'll let you pause and do that right now. Okay, great, welcome back. So let's do this. You're going to find the components and drag and drop the button onto the middle of your screen. We're going to upload that goat photo you just downloaded. We'll open that, and you'll see that it's going to appear right here in the middle. We're going to want to make this bigger, so we're going to adjust the height, click on relative size, and type in 70%. Make sure you don't forget to type in the percent symbol. And for width, change it to fill container to take up the whole width of your screen. Okay, I see that there's still some text on this button that I'm going to just erase here on the top. Okay, now here in the left components, I'm going to find the sound component and drag and drop that into this area. It says invisible components. So that means that you'll be able to use the sound, but you won't actually see it on the app, so it just shows up here. The source is that goat sound, and you don't need to adjust the volume or anything, so just leave it blank. Alright, now let's go on to blocks. Let's start with the button blocks. So when button 1 is clicked, let me find sound. Sound 1 will play. Okay, and yeah, that's it. Let's click live test and check out your goat. Thanks.